Hey everyone, welcome back to Automobiles. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about sleeper cars of the year, the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper. Now don't let the name fool you. While the term sleeper might make you think this car is laid back or slow, the 2025 Nova is anything but that. It's a high-performance beast hiding in a modest, classic-inspired body. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the Nova keeps a clean and understated design, paying homage to its muscle car roots. The silhouette is sharp, yet subtle. No oversized spoilers or aggressive flares. Just smooth body lines, a low stance, and retro-inspired curves that echo the original Nova from the late 60s and 70s. Chevy made sure it doesn't scream for attention, but once you notice it, you can't stop looking. The front fascia features a slim grille with dark chrome detailing and LED headlights that are modern but not flashy. The rear taillights have a nostalgic rectangular design with a smoked-out finish, and you'll spot dual exhausts tucked neatly underneath. This is a car that blends into the crowd until it decides not to. Inside, the 2025 Nova keeps things minimal yet premium. Chevy clearly wanted the focus to stay on performance, but they didn't skimp on comfort. You'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and supportive bucket seats. The materials are a mix of leather and Alcantara, with brushed metal accents that add a sporty touch. Infotainment is handled through Chevy's latest MyLink system, which is quick and easy to use. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging are all included. The interior space is decent. Not too roomy, but definitely not cramped. It's just right for a performance coupe that still wants to stay practical. Now let's talk about what really makes this car special. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper comes with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower. It's mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. This thing rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds, which is insane for a car that looks this tame. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive, keeping that old-school muscle car spirit alive. The suspension has been finely tuned for both straight-line speed and cornering stability. Plus, Chevy included magnetic ride control for a smooth, adaptable driving experience. It's quiet when you want it to be, and ferocious when you hit the gas. As for price, the 2025 Nova Sleeper starts at around $52,000, which is actually pretty reasonable when you consider the performance it's packing. Fully loaded, you might hit around $60,000, but for what you're getting, a true modern muscle car with retro looks and supercar-level speed, it's hard to find a better deal. That wraps up our quick review of the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper. It's the perfect example of a car that doesn't need to shout to be heard. Quiet on the outside, wild under the hood, just how a sleeper should be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Automobiles.